delicious.
Well, hello there, KK fam. Let's make some absolutely delicious garlic butter shrimp. This so easy to whip up, but a crowd pleaser. I know you will love it, and everybody that you serve this to definitely going to love it. Thinking of appetizers to serve for your next entertainment? Well, you could just make this, slice up some crusty bread. I prefer some baguettes, and you could toast it or just leave it untoasted. Add some of this shrimp to it, drizzle some of the oil that is just around it on it. So good. Your guests, they're going to love it, and you definitely getting that title of hostess with a mustess. Well, I hope you give this a try. I know you will be pleased with it. I have here some shrimp. These are jumbo shrimp, peeled, deveined, pat dry, and now I'm going to put my seasoning on it. I have some garlic powder, black pepper. I'm going to leave a little bit for the sauce. Onion powder, salt, and I also have some Cajun seasoning. Now I'm just going to coat my shrimp with everything. Just make sure it is well coated. And I actually did leave the tail on for presentation. Is in picking it up when it's cooked. You can definitely choose to take your tails off. So just make sure everything is well coated, just like it is now. And now we're just gonna go ahead and cook it. Going to drizzle a little bit of avocado oil. So we're gonna put about a teaspoon of butter. And now that the butter is melted, I'm going to introduce my shrimp. You don't want to crowd your shrimp in here though. These are very huge shrimp. I think the camera does not do justice to it, and so I'm going to be cooking them for about 3 to 3.5 minutes on either side. It has been 3.5 minutes already, and I'm just flipping them. You can see that it is looking pinkish in color, and that should tell you that it is cooked. And so just flip it and let it cook for another about 3 minutes to 3.5 minutes, and it should be done. Just don't want to make it overcooked and get rubbery. Now I'm going to set that aside and chop up some parsley. Now I'm also going to cut up a lemon. The juices of this lemon is just going to help tie all the flavors together. And now we're going to add some butter to our skillet. I just wanted to wash it, just get rid of all the residue. If you didn't cook that much shrimp and it's not burnt on the bottom, you can leave it. That is more flavor anyway. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful buttery. Yeah, I know I play too much. So now I'm adding my minced garlic. Yes, the more garlic you want, the more you add in here. So that goes in here. I'm just going to let it cook for a little bit before I add my chili flakes. There we go. And the rest of my black pepper. Remember, I saved a little bit when I was seasoning the shrimp. So all that goes in here. I'm just going to give it a stir, let it cook. Smells good. And yes, I'm squeezing the juice of my lemon right here, both halves. This is going to just tie everything together. It's going to balance out the richness of the butter and all the other ingredients, the herbs, everything. Just a perfect balance in taste. And so that is in here now, and I'm going to just let it cook for about half a minute, add in my parsley for another about half a minute to 45 seconds. And that is it. You just want the flavors to be well incorporated in here. And at this point, it is a perfect time for you to add in your cooked shrimp. So yes, you don't want to leave all those good juices sitting on the plate. So scrape everything in here, okay? And then I'm just going to go ahead and toss everything together. You want that rich, garlicky, buttery juices all over your shrimp. It is garlic butter shrimp for a reason, okay? So get that all coated on your shrimp. At this point, I'll say it is a perfect time for you to turn off the flame because the skillet is hot and it's still going to help keep your shrimp warm without you drying out all the juices on the bottom of your skillet. You want it on the shrimp, not on the bottom of that skillet, okay? And yes, so very simple, absolutely delicious, crowd pleaser. Oh yes. And so now I'm just transferring onto my plate. You want all the juices on the bottom, just to scrape them all right on top. Beautiful garnish right there. And yes, you can have it whatever way you choose. And I was just craving this with some baguette, so I had that in mind, got some baguettes ready, and when this was done, I sliced it up and it was so good with it. The rest of the family, of course, was going to have some rice. This was cooked with some coconut oil as well, and so fragrant. This tied well, so beautifully well with the shrimp. And you could also have it with some spaghetti, some butter spaghetti with this. Oh, so good. I really hope you're able to try this. I know you and yours are going to love this. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly give me a thumbs up and share. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.